Renee, what are you up to?
Hey Chrissy, I'm making a spinning colour wheel. What do you think would happen if I mixed all of these colours together?
I don't know, maybe blurple? Now that you mention it, one time when I was painting, I tried mixing all of the colours together and I just ended up getting a bit of a weird brown colour.
Huh, that's really interesting. I think we should test it out. So I've got the colour wheel here. We have our 6 different colours, and if I spin it and I go faster and faster, it should be turning a greyish white colour.
I don't know, it's a bit hard to see. Can we try making a bigger one? I don't know, Renee, it's definitely bigger, but it didn't really turn white this time.
Yeah, Chrissy, you're right. Maybe it needs to spin faster.
I know something that goes fast. My bicycle. Let's see if I can go fast enough. Still not fast enough.
I think the thing that's going to spin fastest in our house is a fan. We should try it out. Did you see all of those colours starting to blur together when we got it spinning fast enough?
Yeah.
That's just like the light that we see coming from the sun. So white light is made up of all of those colours of the rainbow. And white light moves really, really quickly. But the white light starts to split up when it slows down. And we see that when rainbows are formed in the sky above us. So that white light comes into our atmosphere and it hits a raindrop. And when it hits that raindrop, it starts to slow down. And all of the different colours, they start splitting and they turn into a rainbow. And we can see that when we reverse that fan.
Really awesome, Renee, and it's made me realize that this thing that we made at the start, if we could have spun it even faster, like the fan, maybe we would have seen it turn more of a whitish colour. Now, if you wanted to make one of these at home, all you need is some paper, a pair of scissors, some rainbow coloured pencils, a wooden spoon, and a piece of blue tack.